Hi everyone, today I'll be telling you guys about HTML. First, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That's the full meaning of HTML. And it is the language that is used to create web pages. In every website you see, it is HTML that is being used to create a web page. The function of the HTML is it tells the browser what to display. Something like text, images, video, button, and so on. So it is the HTML that tells the browser what to display. So what HTML does is that it is used to structure a web page. It is the HTML that add paragraph, heading, images, video on the web page. It is the HTML that is used to create the form you fill. Maybe you are doing registration, online registration. That form you are filling, it is HTML that help you. It is HTML that create the form you fill on the web page. It is HTML that link pages to pages. When you click on a link, it will take you to another page. So I'm going to tell you guys how to write your first code on HTML. Step 1, you're going to open your file manager. This is your file manager, your file explorer, where you have your informations like document, pictures, videos, and the rest. So we are going to click on document. Step 2, click on documents. This is your document folder. On this document folder, you are going to create new document. So move your cursor to this place you see new, or you can right click on this environment and click on new folder. So let me use this other one. When you click on new, then click on folder. So it will give you a permission to rename this folder. By renaming it, I'm going to write web dev together. You can write it separately, no problem. Then click on enter. So this is the folder that all our file is going to be in. Any file we are going to create for our web design and web development is going to be on this folder. So the next step, what you are going to do next, you are going to open your VS Code, Visual Studio Code, that I taught you guys how to install it. You are going to open it now. So when you open your VS Studio Code, which is VS Code, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on file. When you click on file, click on new text document like this. What you're going to do now, you're going to save this before you can start anything. So let's do your Ctrl S to save this file. Ctrl S. You don't have to type it, just do Ctrl S. It will take you to a place where you can save this. First, locate the document folder. Locate your folder. The folder we created with web dev. Then rename this to practical 1. Select file type as HTML file. Then you can save. So the first tag we're going to write here now is what? Doc type. And by writing doc type, this is how you write it. You just go use symbol. You start with the symbol called less than sign. You will see exclamation, then doc type. When you click on it, it will give you doc type HTML. You enter to the next line, then you do another less than, you do HTML. When you enter, you do greater than sign. So this is the tag. This first one you are seeing here, let me just explain to it. This one is less than HTML, greater than. That's what we call opening tag. Why this one has less than / HTML greater than, this one is a closing tag. So the difference between these two is that one has /, the second one doesn't have. So in every HTML element, if it is first of all start with a opening tag, then a closing tag. Oh well, let's go further and you see what will happen. So next thing I'm going to write now is opening tag of a body. So this in VS Code, when you write an opening tag, it automatically give you a closing tag. So in this body, this is where we're going to be writing our code, in between the opening tag and the closing tag of a body. That is where we're going to be writing our code, and this is what I'm going to display first on our browser. Hello world. This is what I want our first practical to display. So when you do this, just click on save, Ctrl S. Then you can now go to your browser, you can now go to your folder that you saved your work earlier. If you can remember, I told you I created a folder and in your document. So when you go to your folder, this is a folder, document, web dev, this is a particular one. When you click on this particular one, it will take you to a browser. That is where the result is going to display. Hello world. Hello world. This is your browser and this is the outcome of the results. Hello world.